everyone, welcome back. Today we are drawing another easy pencil sketch. At first draw a 12 centimeter straight line, then draw nose, eye and lips at 7 centimeter, 9 centimeter, 10 centimeter. Draw this like this. Then we will draw the details. Now at first I am drawing the eye. If you draw this in this way with measuring, it makes easy. It helps you to easily draw the sketch or portrait, so that's why I am doing it. It will help you to draw it perfectly and properly. If you draw with measurement, it will be little bit easy for you. That's why I am using this method. It also helps me to draw the portrait easily. Then I'm drawing the shape of the face. Now I'm drawing the nose. I'm using Sugar Sweet as reference. If you want, you can also try to draw from reference. It will help you to create a realistic drawing, though it's not that realistic, but it helps you a lot to draw kinda properly. So try to use reference pics. If you love my videos, then don't forget to subscribe my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, share. If you want, you can also visit my Instagram for more art. Try to draw the smiling face. Try to draw the nose as perfect as you can. Now at first draw the shape of the hair, the head. Then draw the details of the hair. Here I am using a 4B pencil. Here I am using two pencils. One is HB, another one is a 4B pencil. At first we are drawing the basic, then we'll start shading and blending the sketch. If you are a beginner, then please try to practice a lot. It will help you to improve your art. Try to draw regularly, at least try to draw at least 4 days in a week. Try to practice, because practice makes a man perfect. So if you practice regularly, then you will be perfect someday. So please do a lot of practice. Now I'm drawing the details of the hair. I'm putting some strokes. Try to practice your strokes regularly. It will help you to improve. When I was a beginner, I was feeling trouble to draw the hair, because it's strokes problem. And then I started practice it, and now I am doing little bit good than that time. So if you want to draw, I mean, these strokes, then please do practice. It will be fine. After some drawings, you will be able to get it properly. Try to dark the eye areas where the lashes are. Here I am using a cotton bud for blending. After shading, try to dark the lines with pencil. Now I'm blending the face lines like this. Then draw the shadow of the face on the neck. It's almost done. Now I will just highlight some parts of eye, nose and lip areas. Then it will be done. Try to highlight your portraits too because it gives the life of the um, portrait. It looks good, it looks amazing. That's why try to highlight the areas. Now I'm using a white fluid to highlight the parts. It's done. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Bye.